You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 15.7k. And I talk about this breakout, guys, and you see market breakout on the 4-hour chart. I said you should take a position after the breakout on this level of support, and market breakout as expected. And right now, there's the market heading back down, and also on ETH. So what are we expecting today? As I say, the market's heading to the downside on ETH and on BTC. All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you're new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you receive updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all the crypto educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you look at this very area on the 1-day chart support, I talk about the breakout at this very point, and market breakout is today, and right now we are seeing this very chart. We may see a market that try to move to the upside, but I am still very much confident about the market coming back down on the longer term. And if you look at the 1-week chart, the 1-week chart is heading back to the downside, and I'm expecting that very move in this very directional flow on the 1-day chart as well. So still pay attention to the market coming back down. Nothing that's really changed except for the analysis I did yesterday, which is playing out as expected. And on the 4-hour chart, ETH, you see a breakout here as I was expecting yesterday, and it has happened. And right now, I'm still expecting the market to still come back down from this very candle formation. Market should still head to the downside before we see a little correction and come back down as well. So even though you see a little correction to the upside, that does not mean market is flying to the upside. Okay, market can correct and move back down, approaching this very 14,500 level that I talked about. And on ETH, you see a breakout here as expected as well, and market is heading back to the downside. So nothing much has really happened. If you take a position, and congratulations, you should be in little profits by now, and expect the market to come back to the downside. This is my own personal expectation in the market. So your own strategy may be different from what I'm looking out for. So comment below in the comment section, what are you looking out for at this very area on ETH? Do you think this market at this very point is going to reverse permanently to the upside? Or, we may see little correction to, the upside, maybe to this level of support, of resistance for market to come back down and all like that before we get to this $1,000 level, $1,000 level that I talked about in yesterday's video. So what do you think? Comment below in the comment section. And also on the 1-day chart BTC, do you think you're going to still head back down as predicted, or you're going to see the market reverse here and start moving to the upside for a little bullish move? Comment below as well in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, as I said, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. And if you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description, and claim those bonuses. And if you want to attend our Binance masterclass and mentorship training, check the description of this video and you see a contact. Reach out to me immediately and learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.